Welcome, and let's talk about Repo XRP. Now, to answer the question, can Repo reach $100 in 2030? Well, so many people send me ask me this question, but the truth is this: Repo is currently trading below $1. Although Repo hit $3.84. That is Repo all-time price. But the truth remains, Repo can't not reach $100. In fact, Repo cannot reach $20 in the next 15 years. Sorry for saying this for those of you who have Repo, but here I will tell you the truth about price analysis. Now, Repo market cap. Repo is number 6 crypto coin with the highest market cap. Repo have about $20.5 billion market cap. Now, Repo cannot reach that $100 or even $20 because Repo needs over $20 trillion to be able to reach at least $50. Okay, now the total market cap of cryptocurrency right now at the time of recording this video is about $1.4 trillion. I mean, combination of BTC, Ethereum, BNB, and all other 18,000 crypto coins out there. Their total market cap is about 1.4 trillion. Now, Repo have about 20.5, right? And Repo is ranked number 6. Now, Repo needs about $350 to $500 billion market cap for Repo to reach $10. Okay, and for this, it is possible Repo can reach $10 in future. So please remember, like I said, Repo might reach $10 with such market cap, but Repo might find it difficult. I'm not sure this can happen for Repo to reach $50 or $100 in future because Repo need over trillions of market cap to reach that level. You know, in crypto industry, a lot of investors, 95% of investors don't do analysis. All they know is they want to hear that this coin will actually reach $100, $1,000, $1. Even the coin that is trading with 15 zeros, they will believe and they will keep posting telling you that coin will reach $1. It is not done that way. There are so many things you need to analyze for you to be able to know if such coin can increase in value. Now, market cap is one of the major thing that need to play a major role in determining and in analyzing the future price of a coin. So once again, remember, like I said, Repo still remain one of the best, but Repo cannot reach such price. But Repo can reach $10 in future, and that is still a lot of money if you ask me. Remember, this video is on the financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.